So I came out here on Saturday with just a bunch of friends because they heard that this was a place to go. Had no idea it was what Occupy Sandy was. We just heard it was a place that they were sending out volunteers.
So it's really beautiful to come down here and see the outpouring of donations from all over the country that are being sent here and how quickly we get them out to the people that really need them.
Whereas maybe Occupy Wall Street was a tactic for direct action to raise attention to issues, Occupy Sandy Relief is much more than that. And I want people to know that this is just the beginning of helping communities kind of recreate themselves in the way that they really want to. And Occupy can bring resources in, and that's what we're doing.
We have separated bags with gloves, hats, and scarves, and we are lining up all those clothes to go away right away. The most important now is get all the warm clothes and line them in different bags, so they make easy for the guys outside to pick it up, like a blanket, bags with coats, adult coats, kids.
And I started going back and forth to Coney Island with some cars, and I saw directly who all the food and donations that we were giving stuff to was going to. There were apartment blocks in Coney Island that were completely dark, people coming out of them cold, hungry, and we were feeding them and giving them stuff directly.
Use this horrible devastation basically to remake their neighborhoods. That's what's happening in the Rockaways. I've been out there since Tuesday, every single day. This might be my first day I haven't been to the Rockaways, and it's a crazy disaster zone. It looks like New Orleans looked after Hurricane Katrina, but people there are amazing, and being part of that is incredible. The people from that neighborhood, most of them that have stepped up and are now organizers and traffic people and security and going door to door canvassing, looking for elderly that need help, those people never did stuff like that before this disaster.
Everybody should get down to the Occupy Sandy Hub. We do need a lot of help, and it's the hive of activity constantly. There's a lot of different job functions you can do. We're sorting clothes here. You can sort like baby formula. You can help bring donations in from cars. You can come down and go out to affected areas in cars, which is awesome. You can go actually connect with the people that we're donating to.
I just kept coming back actually, and kind of have done a number of different roles, and finally I've gotten to a point where I'm running a basement with probably at this point 40 or 50 people running around like crazy. We just had a delivery for $41,000 of food from a tractor trailer, and then every day there's something crazy.
I've worked in the projects on 57th Street, and I've worked at 113th Street where our comms hub is. That's where I base myself out of mostly. And both places, the people are just stepping up that live there, that have been waiting for this chance actually to reinvent their neighborhood, and it's really awesome.
It's a really incredible experience, and I encourage anyone to come out. We can always use another pair of hands as long as there are people without power, as long as they're hungry. We're going to be like feeding them and trying to make them as comfortable as possible.
Pick apart the pieces of your heart. Let me peer inside.